Hey, hi everyone, I am Savik Mohanta and today we will learn on how to build catchy presentations in just fraction of seconds and most importantly at zero cost. So guys, look, we know the importance of a good presentation, right? Presentation is the face of anything, any project you do in your lifetime, any, consultancy project you do, any, if you are a student, then the entire project or the capstone report that you build is only based on this presentation. If your final presentation goes wrong, then the entire project that you are doing, maybe at your office, maybe at your at your capstone project, maybe at your thesis, or if you are a teacher or if you are a professor, then whenever you are coaching something or teaching something on particular topic, if the presentation is not good and if the presentation is not catchy, the clients or the students or the viewers of their presentations will lose their attention, and obviously it will affect your career in a negative way. So if I call myself in my office also, or in my during my course also, in my university, I was one of the best presentation maker because I had a secret, and in this video I will be sharing with you that particular secret which had helped me gain this reputation of that. Okay, Savik is very good at making presentation. So watch this video till the end, and in the end I will be revealing about that particular tool that will help us in making good presentations. So guys, I will be changing the slides pretty quickly, and you can see that what are the different beautiful slides that we can make using the tools. So if you want to make something related to project lifecycle, these are there. If you need to make some brain infographics, these are there. And if you are someone who is into consulting or market research and you want to make some important chart visualizations, then these are there. मतलब मुद्दे की बात यह है, आपको कोई सा भी प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना सीखना है, सिखा देंगे. सो आई एम हेयर टू हेल्प यू गाइज, एंड बिलीव मी, इसमें सिखाने का कुछ नहीं है. आई विल गिव यू जस्ट वेबसाइट. सो इन द below section of my video I will be giving you the link of the website where you can go and visit over there and can make wonderful presentations. You just need to think big, and you just need to be as creative as possible, and you just have to plan a storyline, like how you are planning to present your presentation, and boom, it is there. You just name some certain thing, it is there already existing. You just need to go over there, download it, and create wonderful presentations and surprise everyone, right? So without further ado, let us go to that place. So if I go to this, so look, this is the website name, that is presentationgo.com. so I will just show you how to search for it. Let me close these things. Just write presentationgo.com. this site will open, and if you click on it, let us go and let us see how it shows, how the website looks like. So if I go over here, this is how the website looks. So there is this templates. If you go over there, the different templates will be coming out. Okay, there is abstract, sports, business, nature, technology, health and recreation, professions. If you go to charts and diagrams, so if you are if you are working in corporate, then this is helpful. So there are a number of steps, processes, data driven charts, non-data driven charts, business models, matrix charts, flow charts, radial diagram, Venn diagrams. If you want to make some text and tables also, so there are also there, like these are the different formats which are there. If you want to show some timeline, let's say if you want to show the journey of Coca-Cola, okay, when it had originated and then how it is going right now, who is the CEO, and at which particular date is there, having a good maybe something great happened in their entire life cycle. So you can just make a calendar and show it over there. If you want to show some graphics and metaphors, the option is also there. So it is having a collection of almost 496 graphics and metaphor templates. You can download whatever you like and play with it. And even if you talk about maps, let's say you want to show something in the entire map of the world history map, like whenever let's say this particular brand had originated from that particular place and is now have spread to the entire world. If you want to show that, then there are also the maps of different countries. There are more than 93 maps, collection of almost 93 maps. So more than 90 types of maps are there. You can download, you can go visit and download whatever it is. So we will in this entire video we'll also learn how to download it, right? So let's say we need, let's say in this entire video I need three things. There are three people, let's say one is me, okay, one is let's say Ram, and the other one is Sham. Okay, so there are three people who has opted for a job, and they had sent their CV for the, let's say, to the organization, about they have sent their resume about themselves. So now if I am the HR of the particular company, so I have got three options, right? So I will just click on here, over here, three options, and look, these are the three options. ठीक है, ऐसा ऐसा है सब कुछ है. लेट्स से आई एम ट्राइंग, ओके, दिस एज शुड बी ऑफ राम or Savik, or this should be of Ram and this should be of Sham. So this is the best place, and let's say I need to put this, okay, look, I have got these three names, and I will just take these three names to my manager and I will ask him that, look, these are the three names we have got for the job openings. If you want to select among this, you can do that. So okay, so I need a 3 option presentation for the same. So what I will do, let's say if this is fine, if this looks good to you, otherwise maybe we can also opt for other options. So there are 20 more options, 20 more pages over there. So you can, when you are getting some time, just go and play with it. Okay, सब कुछ आ जाएगा, बहुत तरह के, you know, there are things. So anyone, so like let's say I like this one. Okay, let us not make this video much lengthy, because the same thing you can, whenever you find some time, you just play with it. Okay, I am not like, you know, just, you know, lengthening the video anymore. So whenever you have some time, go and play with it. It is all there. I will just, you know, give you this particular link in the video of my video, in the comment section or in the below section of my video. So let's say this is the final presentation that I have liked the most, and this is what I need to choose, right? So I'll just go below over here. So there are two options. One is the lighter option and the other one is the darker option. If you are, you know, making a darker presentation, you can opt for this, and if you are making like lighter options presentation, you can go for this. But look, if you are a YouTuber, or if you want to make some slide or anything regarding, you know, content creation, then you can opt for the darker templates. But if you are presenting something, if you are a student or if you are a teacher, you want to teach something, or if you want to present some topic, then always go for the lighter note one, right? Then okay, these two slides are there. Let's say I choose this one, but you don't need to choose again anything. Both of them will be coming to your, whenever you will download this, both of the slides will come to your like downloaded options, right? So let us go, let us see all of this, and again there will be these options, like, you know, you need the standard option 4:3, you need the widescreen option 16:9. So standard option is absolutely fine. I will click on this standard option. So they will be asking you if you want to buy them a coffee. If you are a student, you don't need to buy them a coffee, but if you are big hearted, you can do that. If you work in a corporate, then maybe you can buy them a coffee too. So guys, the beautiful part is the video has already been downloaded. You just need to press Windows E, that is, it will open the downloaded options. So you go to the downloads over here, and this is the final slide that has been downloaded after I clicked over there, right? So if you open it, you can see that there are two slides. One is the lighter version over here, and one is the darker version over here. So let's say I want this, the lighter version. What I will do, I will just copy it from over here and make sure you enable editing over there. So obviously I don't need this, right? By presentation go, www.presentationgo.com. So just select it over here. Okay, Control C, and let's say I will go to this presentation which I have shown you right now. So it has already been downloaded. So just copy it from here. Let's say select it, the entire thing. Obviously you don't need this by presentationgo.com or www.presentationgo.com. So just copy this part of the slide, Control C, copy. This is your slide which I had already shown you. Just go over that slide and paste it over here. So your entire slide will be there downloaded, right? If you just need to group it, so Control G is the grouping option. Then just click on it, adjust the size according to your need, and then do whatever you want. So guys, that's it. I think you have learned something new in this video also, and if you did, please do subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot guys.